Ever walked into a bathroom and thought, I could live here? That's the magic of great design, turning function into sanctuary. In 2025, bathrooms are your morning boost, evening escape, and style statement. Today, we're sharing 100+ design ideas and trends, from sleek modern looks to cozy earthy tones, smart storage, and luxe touches. 1. Modern design trends for 2025. Curved edges everywhere, from round mirrors to soft-edged tubs and vanities. Curves are bringing a more organic, calming feel to bathrooms. Matte black fixtures, sleek and timeless. Black faucets and shower heads add modern drama and contrast to any style. Textured tiles, 3D or fluted tiles add depth and interest to walls, creating a sculptural, design-forward look. Floating vanities, wall-mounted for a minimalist, spacious feel, with extra room underneath for storage or openness. Backlit mirrors, these add soft, ambient lighting and a touch of luxury, perfect for daily routines and mood setting. Walk-in showers with glass partitions, clean and open. These create a hotel-like feel and help small spaces feel larger. Terrazzo tiles, whether colorful or neutral, terrazzo adds playful texture and durability without overwhelming the room. Wall-mounted faucets, a modern touch that frees up counter space and makes cleaning easier. Brushed gold accents, warm and refined. Brushed gold works well in hardware, lighting, and fixtures for a luxe finish. Integrated sinks and countertops, a seamless design that's sleek, stylish, and easy to keep spotless. 2. Bathroom color trends for 2025. Earthy tones, shades like clay, terracotta, sand, and olive green bring a grounded, spa-like feel and pair beautifully with natural textures. Moody navy blue, elegant and calming, navy adds depth and drama without overwhelming the space, great for walls or vanities. Warm taupes and soft grays, timeless neutrals that suit almost any style, offering a clean and calming foundation. Moss green accents, nature-inspired and versatile, perfect for tiles, cabinets, or feature walls. Charcoal and white contrast, a bold, modern combo that feels crisp and balanced. Pale blush tones, soft pinks add warmth and glow, replacing harsh whites for a more welcoming atmosphere. Emerald green tiles, luxurious and rich, ideal for statement walls or floors. Soft gold lighting, warm and flattering. This finish adds elegance to mirrors, sconces, and fixtures. Dusty blue walls, gentle and airy, especially beautiful in natural light. Matte finishes, from tiles to vanities, matte textures are on trend and practical, offering a modern, clean look. 3. Space-saving and functional design ideas. Built-in wall niches, recessed shelves in the shower keep toiletries neat while saving space. Sleek, practical, and perfect for a polished look. Corner sinks, ideal for small bathrooms, they open up floor space without sacrificing functionality or style. Over the toilet shelving, use vertical space smartly with floating shelves or cabinets for storing towels and essentials. Slim vanities with drawers, compact yet efficient. They offer storage without adding bulk, making them great for narrow layouts. Pocket doors, a smart alternative to swing doors that frees up space and gives your bathroom a streamlined feel. Recessed medicine cabinets, hidden behind mirrors, they offer extra storage while keeping walls clean and clutter-free. Mirrored walls, they reflect light, expand the room visually, and make any small bathroom feel bigger and brighter. Compact freestanding tubs. These tubs bring spa-like luxury to smaller spaces without overwhelming the layout. Wall-hung toilets, space-saving and easy to clean underneath. They also add a sleek, modern vibe. Towel warmers with radiator function keep towels cozy and warm the room too. Stylish and functional in one. 4. Luxury touches that make a difference. Rainfall shower heads create a spa-like vibe with a wide, soothing stream of water. Simple, modern, and ultra-relaxing. Freestanding soaking tubs, elegant and timeless, especially when placed near a window or under a statement light. Underfloor heating, say goodbye to cold tiles. Heated floors add everyday comfort and a luxe feel. Natural stone countertops, durable and beautiful, marble or quartz instantly elevate any vanity. Mood lighting with dimmers, adjust brightness to match your mood. Energizing in the morning, relaxing at night. Glass doors with black grid frames. These give your shower an architectural edge and create a striking focal point with an industrial chic vibe. Aromatherapy diffusers. Fill your space with calming scents like eucalyptus, lavender, or citrus to enhance the spa-like atmosphere. Steam showers. Upgrade your bathroom into a true wellness retreat. Steam is great for skin, relaxation, and even clearing sinuses. Wooden bath trays. Simple yet elegant. These trays let you read, sip tea, or place candles while soaking. A cozy, functional accent. Elegant pendant lighting. Hanging lights above tubs or vanities add style, warmth, and a custom-designed feel to the space. 5. Nature-inspired decor ideas. Live plants in the bathroom. Add freshness with peace lilies, pothos, or ferns. They thrive in humidity and bring a peaceful, spa-like touch. Wood-look tiles, warm and water-resistant. These tiles mimic real wood while staying practical for wet spaces. Natural fiber rugs and baskets. Jute, rattan, or bamboo textures add warmth and keep the space feeling relaxed and grounded. Stone basin sinks. Rustic yet elegant. Stone basins offer a natural, handcrafted look that adds character. Skylights. Brighten the room with soft, overhead daylight and create a sense of openness. River rock shower floors. A tactile, spa-like upgrade that's both beautiful and soothing underfoot. Floating wooden shelves. Functional and organic. Perfect for holding towels, candles, or small plants. Bamboo accessories. Eco-friendly and minimal. Bamboo trays or holders add an earthy touch. Linen or cotton shower curtains. Light, breathable fabrics that soften the space naturally. Nature-themed wall art. Think botanical prints or calming landscapes to connect the space with the outdoors. 6. Stylish wall and floor ideas. Vertical subway tiles. A fresh take on the classic layout. Stacking tiles vertically adds height and a modern twist. Herringbone patterns. Elegant and eye-catching. This layout brings subtle texture to walls or floors. Mosaic floors. Packed with personality. Mosaics add charm and detail, perfect for small spaces or statement areas. Large format tiles. Fewer grout lines mean a cleaner, more seamless look, ideal for contemporary bathrooms. Half-wall tiling. Save on tile while adding contrast. Pair with paint or wallpaper for a custom touch. Bold wallpaper in powder rooms. Make a big statement in small spaces with daring prints or colors. Concrete finishes. Industrial, sleek, and minimal. Concrete adds a raw modern edge. Patterned cement tiles. Durable and decorative. These tiles add visual interest and character. Glossy white tiles. Light reflecting and timeless. They create a bright, clean backdrop. Mixed tile shapes. Try hexagons, scallops, or pickets for a playful, designer look. 7. Creative vanity and storage ideas. Double vanities with custom drawers, perfect for shared spaces. Each person gets their own storage, keeping counters clutter-free. Floating shelves above the toilet, great for displaying candles, towels, or plants while using vertical space wisely. Hidden laundry baskets in vanities, built-in hampers keep laundry tucked away and the bathroom looking tidy. Repurposed vintage dressers add personality and charm by converting a vintage piece into a functional vanity. Under-sink lighting, subtle lighting below the vanity adds ambience and helps with nighttime visibility. Mirror cabinets with built-in outlets. Plug-in hair tools or charge devices without cluttering your counter. Pull-out organizers keep toiletries and grooming tools neat and accessible with smart drawer inserts. Open shelving under the sink. Use baskets or rolled towels for a clean, spa-like display. Towel ladders. Leaning ladders offer a stylish way to hang multiple towels in minimal space. Slim vertical cabinets. Maximize small nooks with tall, narrow cabinets for extra storage. 8. Small bathroom design ideas. All white color schemes. Bright whites reflect light and make small bathrooms feel clean, airy, and more spacious. Large mirrors, they bounce light around and create the illusion of a bigger room, a must-have in compact spaces. Glass shower doors. Clear glass keeps the room open and avoids dividing the space like heavy curtains do. Wall-mounted storage. Floating shelves or cabinets free up floor space and help reduce clutter. Slim profile sink basins. Narrow sinks are perfect for tight spaces and still get the job done. Narrow vertical cabinets. Maximize wall height with tall, slim cabinets to store essentials without bulk. Sliding doors, pocket or barn-style doors save swing space and are perfect for tight layouts. One-tone tile on floor and walls. A continuous color scheme visually expands the space and keeps it cohesive. Tiny soaking tubs. Shorter tubs offer luxury in small bathrooms without overwhelming the floor plan. Accent lighting. Layered lighting highlights key areas and adds depth, making the space feel larger. 9. SBA-like experiences at home. Neutral color palettes, soft creams, beiges, and grays create a calming, spa-inspired foundation. Eucalyptus bundles in the shower. Hung from the shower head, they release a refreshing scent and add a natural touch. Scented candles or diffusers, lavender, sandalwood, or citrus oils instantly set a peaceful mood. Soft, fluffy towels, folded neatly on shelves, they add both comfort and a spa-like feel. Minimal clutter, keep only the essentials visible for a clean, calming atmosphere. Wooden bath mats. Slatted mats dry fast and bring warmth with a natural spa aesthetic. Bench seating in the shower adds both comfort and functionality, especially in larger showers. Muted, calming artwork. Choose nature-inspired or abstract pieces in soft tones for a serene vibe. Bluetooth speakers. Play soft music or nature sounds to create a peaceful escape. Essential oil shower steamers. Simple to use and instantly elevate your shower experience. Organize baskets or jars. Display everyday items in pretty containers to keep things tidy and soothing. 10. Affordable and DIY upgrades. Peel and stick tiles. A quick, budget-friendly way to refresh floors or walls without renovation. New cabinet handles. Modern knobs or pulls instantly upgrade old vanities with minimal effort. Painted tile floors. With the right prep, paint can completely transform outdated flooring. Mirror frames. Frame a plain mirror to give it a polished, custom-built look. Install a dimmer switch. adds ambience and flexibility to your bathroom lighting. Swap outdated lighting, new sconces, or pendant lights make a big style difference. Add wall hooks, practical for robes or towels, and a chance to add visual interest. Decorative trays corral everyday items to keep countertops tidy and stylish. Shower curtain update. Go bold with prints or textures for an instant refresh. Stick on backsplash behind the vanity. It adds color and charm without the mess. Your bathroom can be so much more than just a functional space. It can be your daily retreat, your spa, and a true reflection of your style. Whether you're inspired to make bold changes or start with small upgrades, the best design is the one that makes you feel good every day. So, which of these 100+ bathroom ideas sparked your imagination? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more home design inspiration, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.